Hey, what's up guys? My name's Luke W and I hope you guys are going to make 2019 way crazier and better than it was in 2018. So if you were in 2018 feeling a little bit like this, or this, or this, then I want to help you guys bounce back to reality so you're doing some more swaggy stuff like this, alright? So I don't want to take away from all the funny memes in this Facebook group, but what I have for you guys is basically some kind of an opportunity that can help you make a bunch of money passively online, and I really think you guys should try and take up this offer because I've helped a lot of people succeed. I have success stories on my own YouTube channel, and I can link that to you guys down here, and you guys can come follow it and get a bunch of awesome free information, because what I'm doing is teaching people how to sell products on Amazon and make their own brand. And you can see once your product is in Amazon, literally they ship it out to customers, and this is literally the sales I was making in 1 month, over 10 grand in sales at a 50% profit margin. So down here you can see I was literally sold out of stock for the holidays. It was pretty crazy. But guys, this is what I'm trying to say. You guys gotta bounce back in 2019 and do it freaking big, alright? So my name's Luke W and I hope you can send me a message on Facebook, check out my YouTube channel. If you want to know more about how to sell on Amazon, I'm your guy and I can make you guys a whole lot of money. I'm really a genuine, transparent type dude. I'm really kind of just out there. I love to skateboard and do crazy fun stuff, and the way I wanted to live my life was not going to be working for the 9-to-5, the corporate man, the job. I wanted to make it money in my sleep. And what's sick about Amazon is you can make sales to your customers and Amazon's just going to ship out your product. So with every sale I make, I sell an item that I buy for 45 bucks for $120, and that's just what the going price is in the US for that product. And if you're living in the UK, in Europe, in Australia, literally all around the world, Amazon is a prevalent source. And I've been able to teach people from the age of 15 to literally there's a guy that's 74 years old. I've been able to help him too make money on Amazon. So you guys just reach out to me if you're interested. I have a full step-by-step program that will take you through everything. You finish watching all that, it's a little bit of an investment, but after you do that, then we can hop on a Skype call or a phone call, and you guys have me at your disposal to literally ask any question you have. And it's just like way better than a school assignment, all right? Because it's like a real life video game where you're making real money, okay? So thanks for this little video, guys. I hope you get back to the memes and some of that other funny-ish that's all up in this site. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say, guys. So have a great day, and I'll see you later, all right? Peace out.